We now have the Falcon on master mode, and we have also a slave next to us on the same wireless settings. On the input, we have this Pyrodigital FCE Raptor connected from the output to the input of the Falcon. And if I now go to direct fire and I power up the PD bus, we will see here and here that the device sees that it's powered up on the input, and it also activated the slave network. If I take the power away, the device will send the slaves to standby again. So now let's power them up. And if I'm now firing with the Raptor, we see here a blinking on the input that indicates that the command comes in, and we also see blinking here that the commands get aired out. If we go to check status, in manual checking, we automatically see that we have a response from an FM that is connected to our slave device, and that information comes in on the antenna, goes through here, and is displayed on the display. And these indicators, let's say, go statically pink. That shows us that we have unchecked status reply. If there would be a module address asked that's not connected to the slave, we see here the communication blinking. And if we find something, it will go static.